Germany's defense industry has taken a major step forward in counter-drone technology with the successful testing of the DroneHammer missile, developed by Skylance GmbH. Announced via the company's LinkedIn account, the live trials mark a critical milestone in the creation of a tool designed to neutralize small, lightweight drones and loitering munitions classified as Class 1, meaning those weighing less than 150 kilograms. The rise of unmanned aerial threats has forced militaries and defense firms worldwide to rethink their approach to air defense. While traditional systems such as shotguns, 20 and 30 millimeters cannons remain in use, high-tech solutions have increasingly come to the forefront, including electronic jammers and directed energy weapons. Alongside these, a new class of specialized, rapid response systems is emerging to meet the unique challenge posed by small drones that can move quickly, fly at low altitudes, and evade conventional countermeasures. Several recent developments illustrate this trend. The French company Harmattan AI has developed the Gobi Interceptor drone, a compact 2-kilogram UAV that leverages artificial intelligence algorithms to detect, track, and eliminate a target in under 1 minute. It is capable of engaging drones flying at speeds between 150 and 200 kilometers per hour. In Ukraine, Wild Hornets has introduced the Sting, an interceptor drone capable of speeds up to 315 kilometers per hour, further emphasizing the growing demand for lightweight, agile, and cost-efficient drone defense systems. Missile-based anti-drone systems are also gaining traction. Estonia's Frankenberg Technologies is working on the Mark I, a compact missile roughly half a meter in length, carrying a 500-gram warhead capable of intercepting drones at altitudes up to 2,000 meters. Designed to be faster to produce and less expensive than traditional surface-to-air missiles, it exemplifies the effort to make drone defense more accessible. Germany's DroneHammer continues this trend, building on early concepts by eWolf GmbH and WR Drones GmbH, with Skylance GmbH now driving the development to a functional prototype. The technical specifications of DroneHammer underscore its innovative approach. The -2 Malawian Quachas prototype weighs approximately 700 grams and measures around 70 centimeters in length with a 70-millimeter diameter. Engineers at Skylance aim to reduce the size further to 60 centimeters and 60 millimeters to increase portability and ease of deployment. Its warhead employs a unique concept. A rotating CO2 cartridge disperses fragments toward the target, producing a shotgun-like effect with a 10-meter engagement radius. Static tests against Class 1 drones have already demonstrated the effectiveness of this design. The missile is guided by a straightforward optical sensor housed in its nose, which requires active laser illumination of the target. A solid-fuel rocket motor propels DroneHammer to speeds exceeding 500 kilometers per hour, giving it an operational range of over 600 meters. With an estimated interception time of just 3 seconds, the system is well suited for very short-range engagements, allowing rapid reaction against small, fast-moving drones. Modularity is a key feature of DroneHammer. It can be deployed in multiple configurations, including as a shoulder-fired weapon for infantry, integrated into ground vehicles, or mounted on aerial platforms. This adaptability enhances its tactical versatility and makes it a highly flexible tool for modern military operations. Another defining characteristic of DroneHammer is its cost-effectiveness. By combining a simple optical seeker with a CO2-based warhead, Skylance is focused on keeping production costs low while ensuring operational effectiveness against drones under 25 kilograms. The company estimates that series production units will cost only a few thousand euros each, thanks to the use of basic, inexpensive components, some of which are unconventional yet highly functional. The development of DroneHammer reflects a broader European and international trend. Nations and companies are rapidly expanding anti-drone capabilities to counter a threat that is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Lightweight UAVs and loitering munitions can bypass traditional defenses or inflict damage at minimal cost, driving the need for fast, effective, and affordable solutions. DroneHammer is part of a growing portfolio of systems designed to meet this challenge by combining speed, agility, and operational reliability. Alongside the Gobi, Sting, and Mark I systems, DroneHammer highlights a shift toward lightweight, specialized solutions capable of neutralizing drones quickly and economically. Unlike traditional air defense systems, which are often expensive and slower to deploy, these compact counter-drone platforms offer military forces the ability to react to threats in real time without prohibitive costs or logistical burdens. The operational implications of DroneHammer are significant. Light drones are increasingly shaping modern combat scenarios, performing reconnaissance, precision strikes, and harassment missions at minimal expense. In this context, rapid response interceptors such as DroneHammer provide a vital layer of defense, allowing forces to reduce vulnerabilities and maintain tactical flexibility. DroneHammer's modular design ensures adaptability for a wide range of operational contexts. Units can be employed in urban environments, integrated with mobile forces, or deployed on aerial platforms to provide a dynamic countermeasure capable of responding to diverse threat scenarios. This versatility underscores the missile's potential to transform tactical planning in contemporary conflicts, where small drones can suddenly appear and impose substantial operational risks. The announcement of DroneHammer also emphasizes Europe's growing influence in the anti-drone sector. By investing in cost-efficient and technically innovative solutions, European manufacturers are making advanced drone defense capabilities accessible to a broader range of military forces. This democratization of anti-drone technology is likely to accelerate as unmanned aerial threats continue to proliferate globally, reinforcing the strategic importance of rapid response, low-cost interceptors. In conclusion, the successful testing of DroneHammer represents a meaningful advancement in anti-drone defense technology. The missile embodies the convergence of affordability, speed, and operational effectiveness, offering a solution tailored to the challenges posed by small, agile UAVs. Its development highlights the ongoing transformation of European defense capabilities, where lightweight, modular, and economically viable systems are becoming increasingly critical in addressing emerging threats. As light drones continue to play a pivotal role in modern warfare, systems like DroneHammer illustrate a shift toward rapid, adaptable, and cost-conscious defense solutions. By combining innovative engineering with practical operational design, Skylance GmbH is contributing to a new era in drone defense, where speed, precision, and affordability define the next generation of counter-UAV systems.